This 2022 Winnebago Micro Minnie 2108DS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 22 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 4, air conditioning, DVD player, water heater, spare tire kit, smoke detector, awning, LP detector, microwave, skylight, carbon monoxide detector, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front living area, Murphy bed, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Winnebago Micro Minnie 2108DS is 4,140 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.